In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix corrupted game files on Steam. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, when you open up Steam, you need to head over to Library. Just click right over here. Then right click on a game you are having trouble with, and then head over to Properties. After that, go to Installed Files, and down below here we can easily find Verify Integrity of Game Files. It will check all the game files for the certain game, and if it detects some corrupted file, it will re-download them from Steam servers. So that's how we can easily fix corrupted files on Steam. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.